Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Cyberweb. Today I will show you how to install Kali Linux machine. So I was thinking to make a video playlist about ethical hacking using Kali Linux from beginner to advanced. In this playlist, I will show you how you can use different tools like Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, and how you can use this tool to hack a particular network or target organization, and how you can use this tool for penetration testing and vulnerability analysis. So make sure to subscribe my channel and let me show you how you can install the Kali Linux machine. So what is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is a Debian based Linux distribution. It used for advanced penetration testing and security auditing. It has several hundred tools which are geared towards the various information security tasks such as penetration testing, social engineering attacks, computer forensic, security research, reverse engineering, virus and malware analysis, and many more. It has more than 600 penetration testing tools. It supports multiple languages like Python, Ruby, Java, C, C++, Go, and many more. It is a open source and it is free to use. So how to install Kali Linux? There are mainly two ways. One is a multi-boot, second one is a virtualization. In multi-boot, you install multiple operating system in a single computer, and when you turn on your PC, it will ask you on which operating system you want to go on. So you can install Kali Linux as it, or there is a second option is virtualization. It create a virtual environment to run another operating system, guest OS, inside another operating system. So what does it mean? If you have a Windows computer or a Linux based computer, you have to install this VirtualBox or VMware software, or inside your main primary OS you can run this Kali Linux machine. So you can use your primary OS and this Kali Linux simultaneously. There are a lot of virtualization applications, but VirtualBox and VMware are generally used for it. So resources, you have to download the VirtualBox, and you also have to download the Kali Linux VirtualBox image file. You can download this image file from Offensive Securities website that I will gonna show you, or you can download it from kali.org/downloads. It's the official website for Kali Linux. So why I suggest you to download the Kali Linux image file from Offensive Securities website. You can download it from kali.org, the official website of Kali Linux. But if you do that, you have to do a lot of manual configuration and you have to make a partition of it and all. But if you download it from Offensive Securities website, you just have to download it and add it to the VirtualBox, and your Kali Linux machine is ready. So let me show you the installation part of it. I am showing you the installation part for Windows machine, and this process is same for the Mac as well as the Linux machine. Here is a download page for VirtualBox. Click on Windows host button to download the VirtualBox machine. You also want to download the extension pack, so click on all supported platforms. Here is a website called offensivesecurity.com. This has a Kali Linux virtual image. So go to the Kali Linux VirtualBox images and click on Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit OVA file. If you have a 32-bit laptop, then you go for 32-bit. I have 64-bit laptop. So click on here. So it start the downloading. You can directly install the Kali Linux ISO file from kali.org/downloads, but if you download this file, then you have to do a lot of manual configuration like drivers and partition. So I recommend to download the Kali Linux OVA file by Offensive Security. So link is in the description. So let me show you the installation part. So now double click on VirtualBox application file, then follow the setup box, click on next, and again click on next, create start entry registry file, okay, next, yes, and then install. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to complete the installation process of VirtualBox. So installation is finished. Let's open the VirtualBox. Now double click on Oracle VirtualBox extension. You will see a pop-up and click on install button. Scroll down and click on agree, and it start installing the extension pack. Once the installation part is done, now we have to install the Kali Linux virtual machine. So let's install the Kali Linux machine. Once your Kali Linux virtual machine is downloaded, then double click on it. You will see this pop-up. Let me change the base folder. Then click on import. So it is importing the virtual disk image, and it might take 5 to 10 minutes. So let's wait for a while. Once the installation part is completed, you can see Kali Linux 2020.4 in your screen. So click on it and then click on the start button. So just wait for a while. Our Kali Linux machine is starting. So it is asking for a username and password. So default username is Kali and default password is Kali. So enter KALI and click on enter. So we have finally our Kali Linux machine installed. So as you can see the Kali Linux by Offensive Security wallpaper. So click here to see the terminal window. Let's enter some command like ls pwd to see present working directory. So on the top left corner, if you click on it, you can see that it has a lot of different tools for information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, password attack, wireless attack, and many more. I will try to make a video on each of it. And the installation process, as I showed you, is the same in Mac OS and Ubuntu as well. So you can follow the same step in other operating system too. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you face any difficulty, then leave it down in a comment section. I will definitely solve it. If you find it interesting, then like and share this video. I am thinking to make a whole playlist for ethical hacking using Kali Linux from beginner to advanced. I will try to upload cybersecurity, ethical hacking and technical related content more frequently. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyberweb and comment down on which topic you want me to make a video next. Till then, goodbye.